a look.
Yeah. Crop top dress. Super Yolanda, nothing different. We've seen you in a skirt and a top.
Wow.
So I had a dress suggestion for you.
This is the dress that my little sis has got for me.
I really love this look. I think it looks so relaxed and
Hunies. Hopefully this is on.
fizzy.
Wow. I keep calling my little sister Fez. Does that happen to you? You got a younger sibling and you're gonna call them on your child's name. I don't know, it happens. Anyway, this is Michelle. Michelle, say hi.
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
I'm nervous. My sister she's not my biggest critic, but when it comes to fashion, from like a young age, she'd be like, change those jeans. One of the things I remember you saying was, you can't wear a light top and a light like pants, like try and contrast it somehow, and it looked so good. So now if I'm wearing like a white top, I wear like darker jeans, and it makes sense, because like think about it, white shirt, blue jeans, it works, right? But yeah, it just made sense. And since then I knew, okay, you are not just criticizing, it's constructive. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Okay, let's do it. I'm going to be standing here. These are the clothes. I want to show you guys the clothes. I won't be talking too much because we're trying to optimize the sound on the channel. So that's why I'm giving my sister the mic. Where's my other mic? It got lost somewhere in production. Hey there. It's Yolz channel.
So the first outfit is a black dress, which is a wraparound, and this is the outfit that I'll be rating first, and it is from H&M.
Okay.
It is a satin dress. So the first dress that we are going to be rating is a black satin wraparound dress from H&M, and it has a belt.
Okay, let's do this. We're not giving like a gown.
Low-key, but not really.
Okay.
So my first thoughts on this dress is that it's very simple, it's super cute. My rating for this dress would be a 7 out of 10. 7 simply because it needs some enhancement in the form of jewelry and some stunning shoes. So for this dress, I would go with the Perspex and Diamond. These shoes are from MRP that you'll be pairing with the dress, and I think that we need to get a nice pendant necklace that is silver. Yeah, I think that will work really well. Yeah.
Ooh, okay, it's not too short. It's definitely shorter than what I would normally do.
Is it?
I think so. I am not this risque.
This is not risky. This is like so
Basic for you.
I don't want to say basic because I feel like that's gonna sound rude, but it's really, this dress is very cute. It's very simple. It's a very simple dress, but it's very nice.
Okay, 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Yeah.
Okay, hair up or down?
Hair up. Hair up. Yeah.
Like.
Yeah. So next up, it's a super cute oversized blue cotton shirt, and it's going to be paired with a pair of super wide leg, it's actually not super, it's just wide leg jeans from
H&M, both
from H&M. Both of these outfits are from H&M.
Okay, let's put them on.
Nice.
Thank you. I'm glad you like the shirt. I've seen people wear it like this, like super open. So I don't know how to wear it.
Yeah, for this shirt, somehow I actually prefer that button being like on.
Okay.
My rating, yeah, like that.
And then, should we tuck it in or not?
Let's see. I actually can't see if you can see. Oh, okay, yeah.
Like one of those where this is out. They open more buttons and then they leave one out.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, these are MRP. Can you say that for me?
So these are MRP Perspex heels, and we'll be pairing them with this outfit. Okay, so this is our second look. I really love this look. I think it looks so relaxed, and it is a little bit bold, but it's still very subtle at the same time, if that makes sense, because the blue is very blue, but it's a shirt, so it looks very subtle. So I really love this look, and yeah, I would give this a 8 out of 10.
Yay! Okay. It's an 8 out of 10. It's an 8 out of 10. That's good coming from you, my sister.
Yeah, I like this.
So next up is my usual. This is literally, I think this is more me. This and a skirt. Literally, that's it.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This actually looks so good. I really love how the line detailing actually are very symmetrical with each other.
Okay.
And I think that this could actually work as an outfit.
Without the skirt.
Without the skirt, we'll try out the top and the skirt as an outfit, but I really like these two, this combination. Yeah.
Okay, I see what you mean with the lines. Yes. It's a look.
It's a look.
It's a look.
Yeah. This top is from Mr. Price, and yeah.
Just a little big.
Just a little big on the sides, but nothing major.
So, out of 10?
So, out of 10, I would give this outfit a 8 out of 10. It's really nice. I like it.
Okay, let's put on the skirt.
Yeah. So, this is outfit number 4, if we include the outfit we just rated. This outfit is super cute, super Yolanda, nothing different. We've seen you in a skirt and a top.
Wow. Wow.
That's so you. And I would give this outfit a 7 out of 10 because I don't think it's out of your comfort zone. It's literally you. The skirt is from H&M, and as I've said before, the top is from Mr. Price. And this outfit is going with the Perspex heels from Mr. Price as well. Okay, so this is outfit number 5. So for this look, we're going for the grey wool crop top with the skirts. The crop top is from H&M, and it's going to be paired with the Perspex heels.
Or sneakers. I could always just put on my Dunks.
Oh, you have them? Yeah, they will actually work with this one.
The yellow.
Yeah, because it'll give that whole, like you're playing basketball vibe with this basketball-y.
Okay. So what's your rating?
Okay, so for this outfit, I would give it a 8 out of 10. I really like the crop top, and so I think the crop top is the look. And yeah, I really like how it goes really well with the skirts and with the Nike Dunks. Okay, so the next outfit is a black dress. We are going to see how this is going to look. I'm not really sure what's happening in the midsection, but it seems interesting.
Okay, put this on. Let's put this baby on. You hate the material. Like, were they deciding a skirt or a dress? I know. The only reason I took it was because it was on sale, okay? Mm-hmm. Don't judge me.
Okay, so this is outfit number 6. It is a crop top dress. It's a crop top skirt dress from H&M. And for this outfit, I think my rating for this outfit is definitely a 6 out of 10. Like, I'm not sure what's going on, to be quite honest with you guys.
I even have booty here, and I really have booty.
Yeah, so it's like a bodycon crop top skirt dress. Yeah.
Is it giving?
I don't know. I'm very confused because I think it's just like, it's literally cut here almost like it's going to be a top, and then it's a dress at the back.
Yeah.
There's obviously material missing in the midsection.
Material missing? It's not missing, it's intentional.
Intentionally missing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know, it's not my vibe, but
jewelry, can I use it up? Like,
I don't know, I think this is like the detailing.
This is the one I wanted to add like a gold necklace to, and earrings. Like gold earrings.
I don't know, I think just do the earrings.
Okay.
Yeah.
You seem very, very concerned.
So, guys, let me know what you think of the crop top skirt dress. I'm not sure of my rating. Maybe you guys can advise me on this one.
But it's
a 6 out of 10 for me.
Wow.
So I had a dress suggestion for you.
Ooh.
This is a white leather dress.
Pleather.
Yeah, it's a white pleather dress from Mr. Price, and yeah, I think it will go really nicely with you.
Okay, let me go fetch it and I'll show you guys. I want to try it on with you on camera, so let's go. So this is the dress that my little sis has got for me. I'm gonna try it on. It's a pleather. Well, you can't tell the texture here, but it's a longish dress. This is how it'd be looking. Is it that? Is my back too wide?
No.
Oh, better not be.
Just needed some help there.
Okay. So honeys, I think the only thing that needs to be adjusted is the straps. They're too long, right? I think the straps are a bit too long for me. But other than that, I like this. Oh my goodness. The boobies look good. The waist is cinched. Oh, I like it. Oh, okay, so that's how I'd wear it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so even without, you can actually tell that would definitely fit. The arms are a little bit wide, but guys, okay, thank you. I like it. I rate this 8 out of 10. What? You thought it was 10 out of 10? You did not give me a 10. You ain't getting no 10. Okay, it's your face for me. You are so shocked. I do like it. But yeah, let us know what you are rating this dress. Let us know your thoughts on all the other outfits. I definitely need to do a lot with my style. I know. So please don't be like, yes, Yolz, you need to do something about your styles in the comments. No. We know this. My sister has told me this. We're working on it. This is evidence that we are working on it. And I think with this one, I would pair it. I didn't mention the fact that, before ngiwe, I'd pair it with these, right? Because these are the only shoes I brought to Cape Town besides my Dunks. Yeah. This is it from us for now. Let us go out, girl. Yeah. Let's go eat. Let's go shopping. My sister thinks we need more shopping. She didn't mention this on camera. She thinks I need another thing to add because I'm gonna shoot with these y'all gonna see these outfits again on Influenced By. So while we're working on my wardrobe, let's go and actually see how your eye works for me. So she's gonna style me a little bit. It's already past 6, but you know Cape Town, the sun sets much later. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you, Mish.
It's only a pleasure, sis.
You didn't actually, you weren't too brutal. Wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad. Was it bad? I don't know. I think it's fair. But yeah, I need to work. In fact, I got more 8s than anything. So like actually get right. Yeah. I'm gonna fix up my hair and then change. Let's go and eat something and then shop. Bye guys.